أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 4, page 12, pointer B. Today we will study Surah Al-Baqarah verses 85. We saw each juz has 4 parts and each part has 5 pages. The first 5 pages 1 to 5 you studied in QC2 covering 37 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah. The next 5 pages, page 6 to 10 you studied in QC3 covering the 39 ayahs. The next 5 pages 11 to 15, now you are studying in this QC4, we will cover 29 ayahs. The last 5 pages 16 to 20, inshallah we will study in QC5 with 36 ayahs, and thus there are 141 ayahs in first juz which will complete in QC5. So let's revise the pointers for the page 11. Yes, what are the pointers for page 11?
Ignorant methods, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel.
Ignorant masses, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. What about the brief pointers for the page 11?
Ignorant, fire, rule, covenant.
Ignorant, fire, rule, covenant. Okay. The 12th page pointers, the first pointer is covenant of blood, second is killing and evictions, third is leave in parts, fourth is treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. Let's to keep them on the fingers. Yet what are the pointers for page 12?
Covenant of blood, killing
and
and eviction, belief in parts, treatment with
Musa and Isa and other messages.
So covenant of blood, killing and eviction, beliefs in parts, treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. What about the brief pointer for the page 12?
Covenant of blood, killing parts, Musa and Isa.
Covenant of blood, killing parts, Musa and Isa. So today we will study that second pointer of the page 12, that is killing and eviction. The relation with the previous verses is Allah continues describing the distorted faith and bad actions of the Bani Israel. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this is the part of the ayah of today. Let's recite. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. ثم أنتم هؤلاء تقتلون أنفسكم وتخرجون فريقا منكم من ديارهم تظاهرون عليهم بالإثم والعدوان وإن يأتكم أسارى تفادهم وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم. Then you are those same ones who kill one another and evict a party of you from their home, support one another against them in sin and transgression, and if they come to you as a captives, you ransom them, while their eviction in itself was forbidden to you. Let's to identify the words coming in this ayah. Summa is a harf. Antum is a, of course, ism because it's zamir. Haula is muishara, demonstrative name. So taktuluna is ta is coming for the mudare. Katala yaktulu uktulu is the verb. Anfusa is a plural of nas is a ism, so anfusa is a ism. Kum is a zamir ism. Waw is a harf. Tukhrijuna is the mudari verb from akhraja yukhriju from babi ifal. So it's dhamma is having mudari having dhamma. Fariqan, this fatatan tanween telling it's an ism. Min is a harf jar, kum is a zamir ism, minkum jarman. Min is a harf. Diyar. Diyar is the ism majroor. Min diyar jar majroor. Him is a zamir ism. So it's again majroor. The next is tazaharuna, the mudari verb. Zahara yazharu izhar. Ala is a harf jar. Hum is a zamir ism. Alayhim jar majroor. Bi is a harf jar. Al ismi is a ismi majroor. So bi ismi jar majroor. Waw is a harf. Al udwan. Yes, what is this al udwan? Ism fail harf. What do you think?
Ism master.
Alif lam telling it's an ism and it's a plural and it's a masculine and it's a proper noun. The next is waw is a harf, in is a harf, yatukum. Yatu, it was yatuna. So it's a mudari verb. Kum is a zamir ism. Usara is a ism, remember. Tufaduhum is another mudari verb. Hum is coming as a attached zamir. The next one is waw is a harf. Huwa is a zamir ism. Muharramun again ism because tanween, the matan is there. Alaykum, ala is a harf. Kum is a zamir. Alaykum jar majur. Ikhrajuhum, ikhraju. What is this ikhraju? Ism fail harf.
Ism master.
Okay. Ikhraja, yakhraju, ikhrij, mukhrijun, mukhrajun, ikhrajun. This ikhrajun come as a ism. Okay, mazdar him is a zamir ism. So there may be 4 possibility of dhamma coming on some mudari verb. The one possible may be faili majhul, maybe madi, then it is fu'ila. First letter dhamma, second kasra, last fatha. But if it is mudari majhul, then the first letter have dhamma, but the letter before the last letter have fatha and the last letter have dhamma. Yufa'alu. If that word is not on the pattern of yufalu, mean it's not mudari majhul, the second reason of dhamma may be from babi taf'il. Just like allama yu'allimu. Look, yu'allimu have a dhamma because it's 4-letter verb. And the sign is that it have a shad. If it is not that word, then it may be from babi mufa'ila. Hasaba yuhasibu. Hasaba, look, yuhasibu also have a dhamma because it's a 4-letter verb and the sign is it have a alif in it. The 4th reason of coming dhamma on mudari is babi ifal. Just like aslama yuslimu. Aslama is 4 letters, so mudari is with dhamma. Yuslimu. And if the word is not mudari majhul, it's not from babi tafil, it is not from babi mufla, then it must be from babi ifal. That is the last one. Let's have a look once again on the ayah. Summa is a harf, antum is a ism, hawla is a ism, takluna is the mudari verb, anfusa is a ism, kum is a zamir ism, wa is a harf, tukhrijuna is the mudari verb, fariqan is again a ism, min is a harf, kum is a zamir ism, min is a harf, diyar is a ism, him is a zamir ism, tazaharuna the mudari verb, ala is a harf jar, him is a zamir ism, bi is a harf jar, al ismi is a ism, waw is a harf, al udwani is the ism, waw is a harf, in is a harf, yatu is the mudari verb, kum is a zamir, usara is a ism, tufadu is a mudari verb, hum is a zamir ism, waw is a harf, huwa is a ism, muharramun is a ism, ala is a harf, kum is a zamir ism. Ikhraju is a ism, hum is a zamir ism. Let's to see the new words in each line. Sifar 3, on average 2 in each line. Let's to see the lesson learned. Don't violate the commands of Allah. Don't leave any part of Islam. So the new words, as I said, Sifar 3, on average 2 in each line. Let's to go for word and the phrase for phrase explanation and the translation. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir. Summa, then, antum, you, haulai are those, taqtuluna, who kill, anfusakum, yourself, wa tukhrijuna, and you evict, fariqun, a party, minkum, of you, min, from, diyarihim, their home, tazaharuna, you support one another, alayhim, against them, bil ismi, in sin, wal udwani, and the transgression. Yatukum, they come to you, wine, and if Yatukum, they come to you, then what happened? Usara, as captive, tufaduhum, you ransom them, wahuwa, while it, muharramun, was forbidden, alaykum, to you, ikhrajuhum, their eviction. So let's see the explanation of this part. Such events happen throughout the history of Bani Israel. In Medina also, three Jewish tribes were there the same way, behaving the same way. Banu Qurayza were with the Awais tribe of Medina, and the Banu Nadir were with the Khizraj tribe of the Arabs. Each tribe would support its party against the other in battles, even though the other party had Jews too. They should not have fought in the first place and should not have evicted them from their homes. After the battle, the Jews would ransom the captive Jews of the other tribes, saying that this is Allah's command. It's a reminder for us Muslims too. Unfortunately, you see so many wars and killings between the Muslims. May Allah help us avoid all wrongs. Let's take a hadith here. Jabir bin Abdullah reported that Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, be on your guard against the committing of aberrations, for aberrations is a darkness on the day of discretion. Allamu, now it's your turn. So, but somebody kindly revise this part. Okay, Sister Adila, you have raised the hand. Go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, sister.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Summa, then, antum, you, ha'ulai, are those, taqtuluna, who kill, anfusakum, yourselves, wa tukhrijuna, and you evict, fariqan, a party, minkum, of you, min, from, diyarihim, their homes, tadaharuna, you support one another, alayhim, against them, bil ithmi, in sin, wal udwan, and the transgression, wa in, and if, ya'tukum, they come to you, usara, as captives, tufaduhum, you ransom them, wa huwa, while it, muharramun, was forbidden, alaykum, to you, ihrajuhum, their eviction.
Jazakumullah khairan, sister. Let's look the lessons again. Don't violate the commands of Allah. Don't leave any part of Islam. Let's pray. May, O Allah, protect me from your anger. Help me fulfill everyone's right. Make a plan. Inshallah, I will not abuse anyone and not even think to hurt anyone. Let's see the asma. Nafs, plural is anfus. Ism, plural is asam. Fariq, plural is furqa. Asir, plural is usara. Dar, plural is diyar. The three-letter sound verb is katala, yaktulu, uktul, katilun, maktulun, katlun. Kaf talam is the root letter, bab is nasara. The next is the weak verbs, hamza verb, and the repeated. Among them is ada, yadu, udu, adin, mal'udun, alay, and udwanun. So, and dal waw is the root letter, bab is nasara. Ata, yati, eti, atin, matyun, ityanu. Hamza ta ya is the root letter, bab is daraba. So the next is mazid fi afal. Among is akhraja, yukhriju, akhrij, mukhrijun, mukhrajun, ikhrajun. Kharajim is the root letter, bab is ifal, pattern is aslam. Tazahara, yatazaharu, tazahar, mutazahirun, mutazaharun, tazaharun. Zadhara is the root letter, bab is tafaul, and the pattern is tadarus. Next is fada, yufadi, fadi, mufadin, mufadin, mufadatun. Fa dal ya is the root letter. Bab is mufa'ala. Pattern is hasaba. Next is harrama yuharrimu harrim. Muharrimun muharramun tahrimun. Haramim is the root letter. Bab is the field pattern is allama. So let's go for the grammar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 4, page 12, pointer B. In grammar, today we will learn the passive voice, Fi'l Majhul. You have learned this already in QC2. Here we will go a step ahead. We know grammar has two parts, sarf and naf. In sarf, we have two parts again, afal and asma. Among the afal, we have so far studied the feminine table, just like fa'alat, taf'alu, if'ali, la taf'ali, fa'ilatun, maf'ulatun, and fa'il. Then we did the mazid fi four-letter word for the feminine, tuslimu, aslamat, tuslimu, aslami, la tuslami, muslimatun, muslamatun, islamun. Then yesterday we did the duals table. Fa'ala, they too did. Yafalane, they too do. Ifala, you too do. La tafala, you too don't do. Fa'ilane, to doer. Mafulane, to affected. Today we are going to do the passive voice. First we'll take the three-letter word, just like sumia, yusma'u. Then we will have the four-letter one verb, unzila, yunzal. And then in next class, we will do the karuma table. Karuma, yakrumu, ukrum, la takrum, karimun, dash, karamatun. And this will complete the afal part of your QC4 surf. Then we will start the asma in surf, just like isme makan, isme sifa, isme tabdil, isme mubalgha, and isme taksir. So look at the syllabus. We have covered the feminine table. We have covered the duals. Today we will do the samia, and in next class we will do the karuma table. So in previous session we have learned feminine pronouns, the verb table for the feminine gender, the feminine pronouns, feminine table for the feminine gender, and the verb tables for the dual form. We have done this all. In the course 2, you learn this majhul, mean the passive voice. From nasara, you say nusara, and the sign of just the maf'ul, the spread hand, receiving hand. So this is the table you have done early in QC2. Nusira, he was held. Nusiru, they were helped. Nusirta, you will help. Nusirtu, I was helped. Nusirtum, you all were helped. Nusirna, we were helped. Nusirat, she was helped. Somebody kindly revise this table. Yes, who would like to revise? Okay, Sister Aisha, you have raised hand. Please go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum. Nusira, he was helped. Nusiru, they all were helped. Nusirta, you were helped. Nusirtu, I was helped. Nusirtum, you all were helped. Nusirna, we were helped. Nusirat, she was helped.
Yes, Munira, you have raised hand. Please, you also revise the same.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Nusira, he was helped. Nusiru, they all were helped. Nusirat, you were helped. Nusirtu, I was helped. Nusirtu, you all were helped. Nusirna, we were helped. Nusirat, she was helped.
So the third one is Nusirta, you help. Ta with fatha. Okay. Yes, Safia, you unmuted. Please revise the same table.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, sister.
Nusira, he was helped. Nusiru, they were helped. Nusirat, you were helped. Nusirtu, I was helped. Nusirtum, we are all helped. Nusirna, we were helped. Nusirat, she was helped.
The third one is Nusirta, ta with fatha. Fa'alta, ja'alta, fatahta, nasarta, nusirta. Ta have fatah. Okay. Then if I say mudare, we have done this in QC2. Yunsiru, he is being helped. Yunsiruna, they are being helped. Tunsiru, you are being helped. Unsiru, I am being helped. Tunsiruna, you all are being helped. Nunsiru, we are being helped. Tunsiru, she is being helped. Yes, somebody revise it. Yes, Sister Adila, you have raised hand. Please go ahead.
Yunsaru, he is being helped. Yunsaruna, they all are being helped. Tunsaru, you are being helped. Unsaru, I'm being helped. Tunsaruna, you are all being helped. Nunsaru, we are being helped. Tunsaru, she's being helped.
Okay, Jamila, you have unmuted. Kindly, sister, you also revise the same table.
Yunsaru is being helped. Yunsaruna, they are all being helped. Tunsaru, you are being helped. Unsaru, I'm being helped. Tansaruna, you're all being helped. Nansuru, we are being helped. And Tansaru, she's being helped.
Look, they all have Dhamma. Yunsaru, Yunsaruna, Tunsaru, Unsaru, Tunsaruna, Nunsaru, Tunsaru. Because Majhul, they have Dhamma in the beginning. Okay. So we did the board table. Let's to take another word, Razaka. Razaka is the Maruf. What will be Majhul? Yes, please make it Majhul. What will be the Majhul?
Ruzika.
Ruzika, because it's Madi. The Madi last letter of Fatah. Mudare have Dhamma. So Ruzika. So from Ruzika we can say that table. Ruzika, he was provided. Ruziku, they were provided. Ruzikta, you were provided. Ruziktu, I was provided. Ruziktum, you all were provided. Ruzikna, we were provided. Ruzikat, she was provided. Now it's your turn. Yes, Munira, please revise this.
Ruzika, he was provided. Ruziku, they all were provided. Ruzikta, you were provided. Ruziktu, I was provided. Ruziktu, you all were provided. Ruzikna, we were provided. Ruzikat, she was provided.
Yes, Sister Aisha, please, you also revise, you are on mute.
Ruzika, he was provided. Ruziku, they all were provided. Ruzikta, you were provided. Ruziktu, I was provided. Ruziktum, you all were provided. Ruzikna, we were provided. Ruzikat, she was provided.
Yes, Sister Adila.
Ruzika, you was provided. Ruziku, they all were provided. Ruzikta, you were provided. Ruziktu, I was provided. Ruziktum, you all were provided. Ruzikna, we were provided. Ruzikat, she was provided.
Yes, Sister Jamila, please, you also revise the same.
Ruziku, they were provided. Ruzikta, they were provided. Ruziktu, I was provided. Ruziktum, you were all provided. Ruzikna, we were provided. Ruzikta, she was provided.
Good. Ruziku, he was provided. Ruzika, he was provided. Ruziku, they were provided. Ruzikta, you were provided. Ruziktu, I was provided. Ruziktum, you all were provided. Ruzikna, we were provided. Ruzikat, she was provided. So if I ask the question, Hal Ruzika was provided. Ruzika, yes, he was provided. Hal Ruziku, were they provided? Okay. Hal Ruzikta, were you provided? Okay. Hal Ruziktum, were you all provided? Yes, we were provided. So let's see the pattern of Madi from Samia, Sumia. From wa'ada, wu'ida. From kala, kila. It's an special you have to remember. Hada, hudiya. Let's have the mudari practice now. From ruzika, yurzaku is being provided. Yurzakuna, they are being provided. Turzaku, you are being provided. Urzaku, I am being provided. Turzakuna, you are being provided. Nurzaku, we are being provided. Turzaku, she is being provided. Yes, start from you, Sister Adila.
Yurzaku is being provided. Yurzakuna, they all are being provided. Turzaku, you are being provided. Urzaku, I'm being provided. Turzakuna, you are all being provided. Nurzaku, we are being provided. Turzaku, she's being provided.
Okay, Sister Aisha, you are next in turn. Please do the same table.
Yurzaku, he is being provided. Yurzakuna, they all are being provided. Turzaku, you are being provided. Urzaku, I am being provided. Turzakuna, you all are being provided. Nurzaku, we are being provided. Turzaku, she is being provided.
Good. If I ask Hal Yurzaku, is he being provided?
Yurzaku.
Hal Yurzakuna, are they being provided?
Yurzakuna.
Hal Turzaku, are you being provided?
Urzaku.
Hal Turzakuna, are you being provided?
Nurzaku.
So Mudare, the pattern is from Yasmau, Yusmau. From Ya'idu, Yu'adu. From Yakulu, Yuqalu. From Yahdi, Yuhda. So let's have the Mazid fi example now. We say Allama is a Mazid fi. What will be the Majhul? Ullima. On the first letter Dhamma, on the second letter Kasra. Ullima, he was taught. Ullimu, they were taught. Ulimta, you were taught. Ulimtu, I was taught. Ulimtum, you were taught. Ulimna, we were taught. Ulimat, she was taught. Yes. Now, let's start from Munira. Yes, Sister Munira?
Okay. Ulima, he was taught. Ulimu, they were taught. Ulimta, you were taught.
Ulimtum and Ulimna. Okay. After that, yes, Sister Jamila, you have unmuted. Please, you devise the same table.
Ulima, he was taught. Ulimu, they were taught. Ulimta, you were taught. Ulimtu, I was taught. Ulimtum, they were taught. Ulimna, we were taught. Ulimmat, she was taught.
Okay. Ulimtu, you were taught. Okay. Ulimu is there. This is Ulimtum. Okay. The next, yes, Rudija, you also unmuted. You can revise the table. Where are you? Adija. She is not in the class. Okay. Let's go for the next. Aisha. Yes, Sister Aisha.
Ullima, he was taught. Ullimu, they were taught. Ullimta, you were taught. Ullimtu, I was taught. Ullimtum, you all were taught. Ullimna, we were taught. Ullimat, she was taught.
Yes, Sister Adila.
Ullima, he was taught. Ullimu, they were taught. Ullimta, you were taught. Ullimtu, I was taught. Ullimtum, you all were taught. Ullimna, we are taught. Ullimat, she was taught.
Okay. This is Madi. Let's go for the Mudari. Oh, a complete table has come. Azuma, Azumu, Azumta, Azumtu, Azumtum, Azumna, Uzmat. Ya'zumu, Ya'zumuna, Ta'zamu, Azamu, Ta'zamuna, Nazamu, Ta'zamu. Ozum, Ozumu, La Ta'zum, La Ta'zamu, Azimun, Dash, Azmatun, or Azamatun. So from Hasaba we say Husiba. From Anzala we say Unzila. From Auha we say Auhiya. And from Ikhtalafa we say Ukhtilifa. So fail mudare from allama, yu'allimu, he is being taught. Yu'allimuna, they are being taught. Tu'allamu, you are being taught. U'allamu, I am being taught. Tu'allamuna, you are all being taught. Nu'allamu, we are being taught. Tu'allamu, she is being taught. Now, yes, you jointly tell me, what will be for this one finger sign?
Yu'allamu.
Yu'allamu. What is the meaning?
He is being taught.
What about this four finger sign?
Yu'allamuna.
What is the meaning?
They are all being taught.
All are being taught.
What about this finger once?
Tu'allamu. You are being
You are
taught.
being taught.
What about once to self?
Tu'allamu. I am being
What
taught.
about this four finger?
Tu'allamuna.
We are being
You are
taught.
all being
What
taught.
about to self?
Nu'allamu. We are being taught.
Tu'allamu. We are
All
being
being taught.
Good. The pattern is from yuhasibu, yuhasabu. From yunzilu, yunzalu. From yuhi, yuha. From yakhtalifu, yukhtalafu. So let's look at workbook once. What is the meaning of tazaharuna alayhim bil ismi wal udwan?
You support one another
Against them
against
in the sin. Okay. Wa in
transgression.
ya'tuku usara tufaduhum.
And then
And if
they come to you as
come to
captive,
you as captives,
you ransom them.
ransom.
ransom them.
وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم.
While it was forbidden
to you
to
the eviction.
the eviction.
So what is the plural for nafs?
Anfus.
What for fariq?
Furaka.
What from dar?
Diyar.
From ism?
Asama.
Asama.
From asir?
Usara.
Okay. The sixth key from katala is katala yaktulu uktul katilun maktulun katlun. Kaf talam is the root letter, bab is nasara. Ada ya'du ud. Adin madudun ilahe udwanun. And dal waw is the root letter and bab is nasara. Ata yati eti. Atin matyun ityanun. Hamza taya is the root letter, bab is daraba. Akhraja yukhriju akhrij mukhrijun mukhrajun ikhrajun. Kharajim is the root letter, bab is ifal, pattern is aslama. Tazahara yatazahar, mutazahirun mutazahrun bihi and tazaharun. Zahara is the root letter, bab is tafaul, pattern is tadarasa. Fada yufadi fadi mufadin mufadin mufadatun. Fadal ya is the root letter, bab is mufa'ala, pattern is hasaba. Harrama yuharrimu harrim muharrimun muharramun tahrimun. Haramim is the root letter, bab is tafil, pattern is allama. Translate into Arabic. Are you all being provided?
Ruzakuna.
Turzakuna. Naam ruziktu. Translate in English.
Yes, I was provided.
Yes, I was provided. Hal ruziktum. What will be the answer in Arabic?
Na'am ruzikna.
Ruzikna.
Okay. Let me give the Madi table of Sumia. Madi Majhul. Yes, who will make the table Madi Majhul from Sumia?
Sumi'a, sumi'u,
Sumi'u.
sumita,
Sumita.
sumitu,
Sumitu.
sumitum,
Sumitum.
sumi'na,
Sumi'na.
sumi'at.
Sumi'at.
Good. Sumia, Sumiu, Sumeta, Sumetu, Sumetum, Sumena, Sumia. What about the Mudare of from
Yusma'u,
Yusma'u. Yusma'una. Tusma'u.
tusma'u,
Usma'u.
tusma'una,
Tusma'una. Nusma'u.
tusma'u.
Tusma'u.
So Yusmau, Yusmauna, Tusmau, Usmau, Tusmauna, Nusmau, Tusmau. What about from Unzila, Madi Majhul?
Unzila,
Unzila, unzilu, unzilta, unziltu, unziltum, unzilna, unzilat.
So unzila, unzilu, unzilta, unziltu, unziltum, unzilna, unzil. What about mudari of this from yunzalu?
Yunzalu,
Yunzaluna,
tunzalu,
tunzalu, unzalu, tunzaluna, nunzalu, tunzalu.
Yunzalu, yunzaluna, tunzalu, unzalu, tunzaluna, nunzalu, tunzalu. So we were supposed to do this. Sumia, yusmau, unzila, yunzalu. Now you have completed them. So let's to have the bonus point. To make the madi passive wise, what we do, we put the dhamma on the first letter, kasra on the second, and fatha on the last. So fu'ila is the madi majhul. What about the mudari majhul? We put the first dhamma on the first letter and fatha on the letter before the last letter, and last letter with dhamma. Yufa'alu. Suppose first in Mazi, Fa and Lam, three letters. The first letter will have Dhamma. The second letter, that is Ain, will have Kasra. The last letter, Lam, will have Fatha. So we will get a word Fu'ila. What is that? Fu'ila is the Madi Majhul. First letter Dhamma, second Kasra, last letter Fatha. What about the example? Fa'ala. I want to make Majhul. It will become Fu'ila. First letter Dhamma, second Kasra, last Fatha. I have got Fataha. How I can convert it into Madi Majhul?
Futiha.
Futiha. Nasara. What will be the Madi Majhul?
Nusira.
Nusira. Daraba. What is the Madi Majhul?
Duriba.
Duriba. Khalaka. What is the Madi Majhul?
Hulika.
Hulika. Shariba. What is the Madi Majhul?
Shuriba.
Shuriba. Katala. Make it Madi Majhul.
Kutila.
Kutila. Kataba. What is the Madi Majhul?
Kutiba.
Kutiba. Okay. Let's to make the Mudari Majhul. For the Mudari Majhul, we put the Dhamma on the first letter. That is the sign of Mudari. We make the second letter Sakun. And before the last letter, we put on the last letter, we put the Dhamma. So it becomes Yuf'alu. Yuf'alu, first letter Dhamma, before the last letter Fatha, and the last letter Dhamma. Yuf'alu. If I have a Yaf'alu, the Mudari Majhul will be Yuf'alu. I have got Yansuru. So what is the Mudari Majhul?
Yunsaru.
Yunsaru. Swad will have Fatha. Okay. Yadribu. What will be the Mudari Majhul?
Yudrabu.
Yudrabu. Ra will have the Fatha. Okay. Yaftahu. Make it Mudari Majhul.
Yuftahu.
Rahima. Make it the Mudari Majhul.
Yurhamu.
First we will convert into, it's a Madi, convert into Mudari Yurhamu. So Yarhamu, Yurhamu. Okay. Kara, it is a Madi. Make it Mudari Yakrau. So it will be Yukrau. So this is the complete table for Samia. You can see Samia, Samiu, Sameta, Sametu, Sametum, Samena, Samia. Yasmau, Yasmau, Tasmau, Asmau, Tasmau, Nasmau. Now what will be the Madi Majhul and Mudari Majhul? Sumia, Sumiu, Sumeta, Sumetu, Sumetum, Sumena, Sumiat. What about the Mudari Majhul? Yusmau, Yusmauna, Tusmau, Usmau, Tusmauna, Nusmau, Tusmau. So who would like to revise them? Yes. Sister Munira. Sister Munira, you do the Samia Madi. Okay. She is having the net disturbance. Okay, Adila, you revise the Madi of Sumia Majhul.
Sumia, listen to him. Sumi'u, listen to them. Sumita, listened to you. Sumi'tu, listened to me. Sumi'tum, listened to you all. Sumi'na, listened to us. Sumi'at, listened to her.
Good. Yes, Tariq, you unmuted. You do the Mudare Majhul of the Samia. Okay, Sister Aisha, go you yourself.
Yusma'u listens to him, Yusma'una listens to them, Tusma'u listens to you, Usma'u listens to me, Tusma'una listens to you all, Nusma'u listens to us, Tusma'u listens to her.
Okay. The next, if I say Anzala, Anzalu, Anzalta, Anzaltu, Anzaltum, Anzalna, Anzalat is the normal, Maruf table. Like to convert into Madi Majhul, it will be Unzila, Unzilu, Unzilta, Unziltu, Unziltum, Unzilna, Unzalat. What is the Mudare? Mudare normal is Yunzalu, Yunzaluna, Tunzalu, Unzalu, Tunzaluna, Nunzalu, Tunzalu. What is the Mudare Majhul? Yunzalu, Yunzaluna, Tunzalu, Unzalu, Tunzaluna, Nunzalu, Tunzalu. Now who will do the Madi table for this? Yes. Okay, Adila, do the Madi from Madi Majhul from this Unzila.
Unzila, sorry, Madi. Unzila, Unzilu, Unzilat, Unziltu, Unziltum, Unzilna, Unzilat.
Why the third you say Unzalat? You all the three sisters have said it like that. Why don't you say Unzalta? Ta have fatah. Unzalta.
Unzilta.
You all are saying it
40.
Unzalat, Unzalat. I don't know why is you people are pronouncing like that. This is simply Fa'alta, Ja'alta, Nasarta, Unzalta. Ta have a fatah. Okay, Sister Aisha, you do the Mudare Majhul of this.
Yunzalu descends at him, Yunzaluna descend at them, Tunzalu descend at you, Unzalu descend at me, Tunzaluna descend at you all, Nunzalu descend at us, Tunzalu descends at her.
Good. So we were supposed to do these two tables. Samia from Sumia, Mudare Yusmau. From Anzala we have Unzila and Yunzalu.
Yunzalu.
We completed the both table. Let's to go for the question answer session. The question is, what will be the TPI for maful with left hand, with right hand, with the receiving hand, with giving hand, ABCD?
P.
Okay, with receiving hand, this one. So, Ruziktum, you all are provided, you are provided, you are given provision, you are provided, we are provided, ABCD. Yes.
A.
A.
Okay. Al Ruzikta, the answer is Nam Ruzaku, Nam Yurzakuna, Nam Ruzikta, Nam Ruziktu, ABCD.
Nam Ruzikti.
D. 2. D. Yeah.
I will change into 2, so Nam Ruziktu. Hal Ruziku, what is the Arabic answer? Nam Urzaku, Nam Turzakuna, Nam Ruziku, Nam Ruzika, ABCD.
C.
Naam Ruziku. C.
Good. The majhul of Ya'idu is Ya'iduna, Yu'adu, Id, Wo, Ida, ABCD.
D.
E.
Yes, Ya'idu, Yu'adu. Nunsaru mean we were helped, you are helped, we are helped, they are helped, ABCD.
D.
D.
Nunsaru, we are helped, okay. Hal turzakuna, the answer may be Nam ruzikta, Nam nurzaku, Nam turzakuna, Nam ruzikna, ABCD.
B.
B, okay. Allahum yunsaruna, and nar you will be helped, and nar we will be helped, and nor they will be helped. They helped. ABCD.
C.
C.
Good.
B.
Yurzakuna fi, not, it was not B. B, how it can be? Walahum and not whom they yunsarum were mother. Here it is we. For we it should be nunsaru or nahnu. Both are missing in the sentence. Okay. Yurzakuna fiha. They are provided water in it. They are provided in it. They are provided. They are provided wealth in it. ABCD.
B.
B.
Yes, they are provided in it. Fiya mean in it. What is the Arabic translation? They are taught. No, نعلم تعلمون أعلم يعلمون ABCD.
D.
يعلمون. D.
It's D. يعلمون. Okay. 7 homeworks are known to you. 2 of Tilava. You have to take the Musaf if you can and open it from any place and recite for 10 minutes because you are in QC4. 5 minutes was for the QC1. Then close the Musaf and recall from your memory whatever you have studied or recited earlier or during this session. And the 2, they are of the book. What you have to do? Oh, what is happening? Somebody got disturbed. So you have to take the book if you have got the hard copy printed. If not, just open the mobile or the tablet or the computer where you have kept the soft copy and open it and read it for 10 minutes, those lessons in which you have studied in the week or you are going to study. And the 4th one is take this card. This card is called the VAC card or the pocket book. This is a foldable. Please, you can keep in the pocket or in your lady purse. But the important task is take it 5 times in a day out of the pocket or the purse and start reading. It contains 232 words of QC1, which come in the mass of 50% words. When you start doing 5 times practice, each time 2 to 3 minutes, after a few weeks, you will memorize the whole card. After this memorization, when you start, you will be studying the first page, your brain will be coming second, third, fourth. Thus, your memory start increasing sharply. Up to 300 times memory gets sharpened. The 5th homework is listen to 1 hour concise MP3 recording of the QC1 for word translation and grammar because it contains the 232 words which occurs 50% in the Quran words, and moreover it contains the grammar rules which have been taught in the QC1. The 6th one is talk about the course with your study partner. Make somebody your study partner. Maybe your kid, grandkids, your parents, grandparents, your brother, sister, your spouse, your relatives, your family members, your neighbors, or anybody who want to learn the grammar. Male make a partner male, female make a female partner, brother for the brother, sister for the sister. And what you have to do, you have to every day discuss at least 1 ayah or 3 new Arabic words with this person, or the lesson which you have studied that day, you can discuss. The 7th homework is recite different surah in the Salah. Alhamdulillah, now you have reached to QC4. You studied 37 ayah in QC2, 39 ayahs in QC3, and now you are going to study 29 ayah. They are more than 90 or 100. So if you memorize them, you can easily recite at least 3 ayah in each rakah of the salah. When you do this, you will never forget because you are doing it every day, revising every day and every day. And remember, you are chosen. Alhamdulillah, you completed QC1, 2, 3. Now in QC4, you are just ready to go in QC5 next. So only 1 step is left. Always pray for yourself, Rabbi Zidni. And for your course mate also, so everybody should learn and sit in the class. If you can't listen the videos, just make small group of your friends maybe on even WhatsApp or physical class, and gather some weekend or some day or some time and revise the videos and repeat yourself. Note this address www.understandquran.com. This is the Dr. Abdul Aziz Abdul Rahim Academy. You can download from anything you need. Maybe the PowerPoints, maybe the PDFs, maybe the text, maybe the workbook, or even their solution, or even you can download the recordings, or you can see the homeworks and the quiz there. A lot of help. For teaching, you may get a teaching material even, or the training if you want or desire. So teachers, training, and material is available on the same site. Let's to pray. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. نشهد لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. اللهم اغفر لنا قبل الموت وارحمنا عند الموت ولا تعذبنا بعد الموت ولا تحاسبنا يوم القيامة إنك على كل شيء قدير. Allah Hafiz. If you people have any question, your questions are welcome, please. Okay, if you people don't have the question, let's to recite the prayer was once again. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. اللهم اغفر لنا قبل الموت وارحمنا عند الموت ولا تعذبنا بعد الموت ولا تحاسبنا يوم القيامة إنك على كل شيء قدير. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, see you next week.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.